थिंगा तीस सेशन आसपाक जाय म्हणून एक रेजोल्युशन घेतलेले सगळे स्पिकरान दॅट टायम विल बी गिवन टू दी ऑपोजिशन with regards to the issues of how Girish Borkar was manhandled. मुखेलमंत्री आम्ही सांगलेले आसा that immediately PI terminate जावपाक
टर्मिनल सस्पेंड
तेणे उतर दिलेलें आसा ही इज गोइंग टू आतां सद्या तेजें इन्वेस्टिगेशन जाता एंड ही वील शॉर्टली मेक शुअर that particular PI has to be booked for whatever he has done because this is the right of a legislature. It is the protection that a legislature gets, especially when the session is on. तिसरें जे 39A जे बिल आमी जोड जोड म्हाका दिसता 16 तारखेक जे घातलेलें आनीक तेणे आमकां सांगलें आमी तांकां सांगलां टॅक्टीक करिनाका अंडर द प्रोव्यू की वेट लॉ डिपार्टमेंटाक वेट करपाक दिना दीस टायप ऑफ टॅक्टिक्स शूड स्टॉप आमकां अश्युरन्स दिलेलें आसा की ऑन 2nd of March they have asked for a reply. They have asked for a reply and enough is enough जे हे 39A स्क्रॅप करपाक जाय हें बिल आमी जे घातलेलें आसा हें हिंगा हावजान हेजेर चर्चा जावपाक जाय आमी स्पिकराक सांगलेलें आसा आय बिलीव most of the MLAs in the opposition have put this particular bill with regards to the decorum of the house needs to be maintained जे थोडे हिंगा आत आलोवपाक सारके मुखार आहाय इसली जरी तर प्रथा हिंगा जाली जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता फाल्यां जोत्याचे आराडू पडटले इतले पाड हें जातले मुखार हिंगा हें जावं ना आनी हावजाची प्रथा आमी डेकोरम मेंटेन करपाक जाय आमी ईमेल जे बरयल्ले स्पिकरान सांगलां की ही वील मेक शुअर दॅट वॉट एवर वॉज डन वील बी ऑन द फर्स्ट डे ही इज गोइंग टू मेक अ मेन्शन दीस इज वॉट वी हॅव बीन अश्योर्ड इन द हाऊस दुसरें जे बाब विदेशाचे सिक्युरिटी आसा खास करून जे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी इशू आसा पर्टेनिंग टू दीस ऑल्सो टायम शूड बी गिवन इन दीस हाऊस तिसरें जे 0R आनीक कॉलिंग अटेन्शन ऑपोजिशनाक टायम मेळपाक जाय हेजेय चर्चा जाली क्वेश्चन आवर जे 48 hours प्रायर जे दिवपाक जाय हिंगा कितें जाता समज एक टिकट क्वेश्चन येयलें जाल्यार ते मागीर ते दुसरे डिपार्टमेंटाक ट्रान्सफर कोताय आनी मागीर अनस्टार्ट करूं जाय ही इतली वर्सां ही प्रथा जाल्या ऑनरेबल स्पीकर सेड येसले हे ह्या सेशनाक जावचें ना ऑपोजिशनाक टायम दितले मुखेलमंत्रीगे जरी तो डिमांड चोयल्यार मंडे 51 म्हणजे गोल्डन जुबली पास जालो तो मुखार गेला सारको इतलो फास्ट जाला भुरगो आनीक आतां मुकुट तेगेलो सिल्वरान आतां गोल्डन जाला आनी गोल्डनान तो आतां आनी एक हे दिसांनी घोडे आनी एक डायमंड घालपाक सोदिता हे दिसान घोडे जायत आनी एक पोर्टफोलियो घोडे तो जायत तो डायमंड तो घालपाक सोदिता मुकुटाची सात सेंटराक सो कोटो तुमकां तेका तुमी विचारय तेतून कोटोले सो म्हाका दिसता की वेरी वेरी सिरियस इश्यूज हॅव टू बी टेबल्ड have to be spoken. The bills what we put, we as opposition, maka khatri ha, we will coordinate within ourselves and make sure we show this government where they are failing. They failed miserably. And the corruption, whatever issues need to be taken together, we will take it.
युरी आरजीपीचो प्रेसिडेंटान तुमच्या प्रेसिडेंटाक टार्गेट केलो तरी आमी पळयता की तुमी आजुनी वांगडा आसा काय कशें कितें आसा
जोय कितें आहा मरे आमी डेमोक्रेटीक पार्टी वेरी डेमोक्रेटीक आमगे हुकुमशाय ना विदीन माय पार्टी आय हॅव बीन गिवन आय कॅन एक्सप्रेस माय व्यू वी आर नॉट द भारतीय जनता पार्टी नाव इफ समवन स्पीक्स ऑन मी आय विल स्पीक बॅक ऑन दॅट पर्टिक्युलर पर्सन नाव आय थिंक आर प्रेसिडेंट बिलोंग्स टू द काँग्रेस पार्टी ही इज वर्किंग फॉर द काँग्रेस पार्टी एवरीवन नोज हाऊ ही इज वर्किंग फॉर द काँग्रेस पार्टी so I think it's better that the party president clarifies on this particular issue.
But as a LP आणि त्या पार्टीतल्यान तुम्ही निवडून येयल्या म्हणून तुमकां
तुमचो लिडर न्हू तो
की तुम्ही त्यांका डिफेंड करचे
तुमचे लिडराक
Now with my definitely he is our party president.
पार्टी लिडर
Our
न्हू तो
party president is capable enough to defend himself. But he's been defending the party for 4 years. So definitely, you see, what Kidha, Congress party is a party that has democratic values. Congress party is a party that has to take all the parties along. So Mode, if the ultimate issue is that we have to take everyone along. We are the principal. One second. Let me finish. We are the principal opposition party. If we are the parents, we have to take the children. We have to take the grandchildren together. We have to take them together with us. Sometimes even when you speak, sometimes to your parents might not like it, but that the parent takes everyone along. It is our duty in the interest of Goa. Goa is our mother. We have to protect our mother.
युरी बाब तो आपल्या डिफेंड करतलो म्हणतो तो पण तू त्यांचा लीडर म्हणून तुवें कंडेम केला
Prashna. Don't put words in my mouth. Okay. What I am trying to say. तुम्ही ऑपोजिशन युनायटेड मग जाय तुमकां हांव नाका गोंयांत युनायटेड ऑपोजिशन जाय नाका
ना या तुम्ही आमकां प्रश्न विचारता सेम तुम्ही आरजीपी प्रेसिडेंटा विचारप न्ही
समजत
तें हांवें कितें उलयलां आरजीपी प्रेसिडेंटाक
हय, ना.
कितें तें आय विल नॉट पुट इट आउट माय थिंग इज वी हॅव अ प्रेसिडेंट हू इज वर्किंग फॉर द पीपल ऑफ गोवा वी हॅव अ प्रेसिडेंट हू इज वर्किंग फॉर द काँग्रेस पार्टी इट इज माय रोल एज लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन or whatever if we have differences to make to sort it out आणि लांबच्या लांब कोण fight ना this is not going to take us anywhere it is in the interest of Goa we are Goans first let Goans unite first
हो अलायन्स दिसतलो तुमचो
Across party
बाय
line.
इलेक्शनाक अलायन्स दिसतलो तुमचो फोंडा बाय इलेक्शन लागीं
कालच्या
आसा सध्या
दिसाक हांवें अपील केलें I have appealed and our desk in charge during our last meeting or the political affairs committee meeting requested me to make an appeal to all political parties in the opposition that we should fight together. It is my role here in the assembly and now he requested me to speak and make sure that unitedly we should go. So that is what I've been doing and I made an open yesterday as well. I made an open communication to all other political parties that we should single-handedly make sure that the BJP goes home. The BJP is the PIDA. BJP should go home. All of us are fighting maybe with each other. But I will tell you that at the end of it, Goans are watching. I am not the type of a person उजेरी जायत जाणार हातोर मारपाचो प्रयत्न केलो. I do not react like that. हांवें हें जायत चोयलां आनी हें सगळें जें एक म्हाका दिसता फॅक्च्युअली रियलिटी तुमकां दिसता की जेन्ना तुमी सांगता युनायटेड ऑपोजिशन आसतलें काय कितें सेशना फुडें आनी जेन्ना सेशन मागीर at the end of it, I always make a comment that I thank all the political parties. I will not say this political party has done this, other political party has done this. We should, within the opposition, unite and unitedly fight this BJP. Other the BJP will take advantage of the situation.
Yuri Bab, you asked CM who gave the order to lift Rajesh from BJP office.
Give the order. You don't think CM gave the order? He is heading the ministry. He should take responsibility. The question doesn't arise of who gave the order. He is at the end. That means without his orders, they can touch an MLA. Where is the question? I'm directly saying, without his orders, can you touch an MLA from there? You think the police have not informed the in charge or the department who's heading? We have said that action needs to be taken immediately, and he has to be terminated from the service.
Police have done their duty on the POSIF order.
So that you ask, you have to
CM
possibly.
is responsible for manhandling of Girish Purkar.
He heading the home department. Definitely, it comes on his responsibility, on his shoulders. Who heads the home department?
So why the PI has to be terminated? Because he followed the order.
So that whether CM has to be terminated, PI has to be terminated, it is all together.
ट्रान्सफर केलाय पिना तुम्ही ट्रान्सफर केलाय पी
कितें रे ती ट्रान्सफर कितें हें कदंबा बासू ट्रान्सफर करपाक इशू एस आसा की इट इज अ सिरियस ऑफेन्स सी विदीन द प्रेस टुगेदर यू ऑल आर द फोर्थ पिलर ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी देर विल बी अ लॉट ऑफ एलिमेंट्स बट मे बी यू ऑल हैव डिफरन्सीस बट यू ऑल आर डूइंग ऑल दिस फॉर द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ गोवा you are doing it for the interest of Goa. So someone manhandling a single press as an organization, you all condemn it. You all stick to it. So it is the same way. He is my colleague. If this was done even to a ruling MLA, I would have done the same thing. You need to condemn this. It is not in the interest of democracy. And why did he go there? He went there for defending his the rights of his constituents.
ओके थँक्यू
हिंदी जाय इम्पॉर्टंट